Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is January 22nd, 2025, and we're diving into Halliburton's fourth quarter 2024 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Halliburton, a leading provider in the energy sector, has just released its Q4 2024 results, and there's a lot to unpack.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Halliburton reported a revenue of $5.6 billion for the fourth quarter. How does this compare to previous quarters, and what does it say about their profitability?
Halliburton's revenue slightly decreased from $5.7 billion in the third quarter, but they maintained a strong operating margin of 17%. Their net income was $615 million, or 70 cents per diluted share, which aligns with the forecasted EPS. This indicates solid profitability despite a slight dip in revenue.
And what about their cash flow?
They generated $1.5 billion in cash flow from operations, with a free cash flow of $1.1 billion. This robust cash flow supports their strategic initiatives and shareholder returns.
EPS forecast and analyst consensus. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 70 cents, and Halliburton met this expectation. How significant is this for the company?
Meeting the EPS forecast is crucial as it reflects the company's ability to deliver on market expectations. With 11 analysts surveyed, hitting the 70-cent mark demonstrates Halliburton's consistent financial performance and reliability in the eyes of investors.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, can you elaborate on Halliburton's operational efficiencies and their outlook for the future?
For the full year, Halliburton's revenue was $22.9 billion, flat compared to 2023. However, they generated over $2.6 billion in free cash flow and repurchased $1 billion in shares, returning 60% of free cash flow to shareholders. CEO Jeff Miller expressed optimism about the long-term outlook, emphasizing their strong balance sheet and growth engines like drilling technology and well intervention.
Geographic and segment performance. How did Halliburton perform across different geographic regions and segments?
In North America, revenue was $2.2 billion, a 7% sequential decrease due to lower stimulation activity. Internationally, revenue increased by 3% to $3.4 billion, driven by strong performance in the Middle East and Africa. Segment-wise, completion and production revenue was $3.2 billion, while drilling and evaluation remained flat at $2.4 billion.
Strategic initiatives and innovations. Let's talk about Halliburton's strategic initiatives and innovations. What are some of the highlights?
Halliburton introduced several new technologies, including the Intella family of diagnostic well intervention services and the iCruise Force rotary steerable system. They also launched SandTrap XL, a new sand control system. Additionally, they're expanding with new facilities in Namibia, highlighting their commitment to growth and innovation in the energy sector.
Key takeaways. In summary, Halliburton delivered a solid performance in Q4 2024, meeting EPS expectations and maintaining strong cash flow. Their strategic initiatives and innovations position them well for future growth. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. Halliburton's focus on technology and operational efficiency bodes well for their long-term prospects.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Halliburton's performance in the comments below.